People will solve their own problems if you let them. The problem with some people, salespeople, you and me, we never let anybody solve their own problems. We think sales is all about having all of the answers. If I could have 5 minutes of your time, I'd love to show you how we can fix this. Love to show you how messed up that is. Can save you time, can save you money, make you stronger, get you there faster, right? That's not the way to actually be skillful in sales. When somebody has an objection to your price, to your solution, to what you're quoting them, to when you can do it or how you can do it, there's a good chance that if you let them solve their own problem, they'll actually do it and you'll get the business. Does anyone want to unmute yourself and take a guess at what you think I mean by letting people solve their own problems?
Ask them for their thoughts on it.
Hell yeah, Neil. Thank you. What are some of your thoughts? Man, I just really don't like the way your onboarding process works. Right? Don't go into, oh, well, no, it's configured this way and it's that way, and I realize you think it takes a lot of time to onboard and the files will come over and that's just the way it's going to get done. Man, I don't really like the way your onboarding process works. Got it. What are some of your thoughts? Well, I know it's not ideal, but I guess we're going to have Becky log some extra hours getting the files over. Totally get it. Does it make sense to move forward with the agreement? Yeah, it does. Right? I'll give Becky an extra bonus at the end of the year. Let them solve their own problems. What we think in sales is we think our job is to have all the answers every time a customer complains. Guess what? Sometimes they don't want the answer. They just want to complain. Other times when they do want an answer, their answer trumps your answer. Right? Like if we're playing war or what, Uno or whatever, we got the double whammy Uno reverse card if it's their answer. Ask them for their answer. I asked Danielle, what are some of your thoughts? Worst case, Danielle's going to go, I don't have any thoughts. We just need to fix this. Got it. In terms of fix this, can you give me a specific example of what you were thinking? Most of the time, that client that's complaining or objecting to somebody, you're a lot closer to the deal than you think you are. Allow them to have an input in the solution, and you'll find that you'll have to do a lot less to convince them to do the thing you want them to do. If it's their idea, even if it's not the best solution, you're going to be a lot more likely to get the close. Your job is not have the right answers. Your job is to help them make a decision. That might be involving them in the process of solving their own problems. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're going to catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.